Before we begin, let me challenge you real quick. Can you calculate the square of 78 in just 5 seconds? Being time's up. If you didn't get it, don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, I'd bet that 99% of viewers didn't manage to solve it that quickly. But don't feel bad, because after watching this video and practicing just a little, you'll be able to do it easily and fast. Let's dive in. Let's start with a simple example. What is 31 squared? Here's the trick. We'll split the process into 3 parts. Watch closely. First, take the first digit, which is 3, and square it. 3 squared equals 9. Write that down. Then, look at the last digit, which is 1, and square it too. 1 squared equals 1. Write that as the last part. For the middle part, take 3 times 1, and then multiply that by 2. 3 times 1 equals 3, and 3 times 2 equals 6. That's the middle digit. Now put all 3 parts together. 9-6-1 arrow, 961. That's your answer. Super fast, right? Let's try another one. What's 42 squared? First digit is 4, and 4 squared equals 16. Last digit is 2, and 2 squared equals 4. Now the middle, 4 times 2 equals 8, then 8 times 2 equals 16. We've got a 2-digit result here, so we write down 6 and carry over 1. Now, go back to the first part. Add the carryover. 16 plus 1 equals 17. Now we have start, 17, middle 6, end 4. Final answer, 1764. Boom, that's lightning fast. Let's level it up with a slightly bigger number. 64 squared. Same method. 6 squared equals 36, 4 squared equals 16. Write down 6, carry 1. Middle part, 6 times 4 equals 24, and 24 times 2 equals 48. Then add the carried 1, 48 plus 1 equals 49. Write 9 from 49 and carry the 4. Now go back and add 36 plus 4 equals 40. So your final result is 4-9-6, arrow 4096. Faster than a calculator, right? Now we're getting serious. Let's try 87 squared. Same steps. 8 squared equals 64, 7 squared equals 49. Write down 9, carry 4. Now for the middle, 8 times. 7 equals 56, and 56 times 2 equals 112. Then add the carry. 112 plus 4 equals 116. Write down 6, carry the remaining 11. Now add 64 plus 11 equals 75. Put it all together, 7-5-6 to 9-7, 569. That's the square of 87. Isn't this insane? Out of this world fast? And now, let's return to the question I asked you at the beginning. What is 78 squared? Using what you just learned, try solving it now. Pause the video, take 5 seconds, and drop your answer in the comments below. I'm excited to see how many of you can do it. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing trick and now feel like a math ninja, consider supporting the channel. If this video gets 2,000 likes, I'll drop a follow-up where I'll show you how to square 3-digit numbers mentally at the same crazy speed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that super thanks if this helped you out. Your support means the world and lets me keep making videos just like this for you. Until next time, stay sharp and keep calculating like a pro. So good.